Hello to all of you, subscribers or not, and in today's amazing YouTube video on the How to Boss, we are going to look at the Eachine ex5 tutorial to show you how to fly it. And we're going to add a few skills for landing using the bottom camera and the front one. And the skill is So, getting on right with the video, the skill number 1 is to land without seeing it from a big distance, like 1 kilometer or so, using the bottom camera, which you see right there. It's that small dot on the bottom of the drone, right there, and which is very low quality, but it's good to see the terrain you're landing on or about to land on. This is the front camera. It is 4K pictures, which is very nice, and it also has the video, which is 180p. That it's good for the end of the video to see skill number 2, and I have a bonus for you at the end of the video. So let's get right on with it. I'll show you how to land it without seeing your drone. So we just have to go towards our landing spot, which is that parking lot right there. So we're going to place our drone right above it and straighten it like that. And then we're going to flip it to the bottom camera to see the terrain. So now that we have found the spot, which I think is that brown spot right there, we're just going to lower the drone until we touch the ground. And oh, touchdown! Yay! Landed. Oh my god, what a beautiful sunset. That's crazy. And we're here in Italy. Oh my god. And you have landed. Good job, guys. You guys have done skill number 1. Let's get right on to number 2. And without extra waste of time, I'm just going to tell you one quick thing. It's that the propellers here, when you land, you have to make sure they don't hit any hard grass or tree trunks or branches, because it could bend the propellers and you won't fly straight. That's one of my bonuses. I have a second one coming up for you at the end of the video. And let's get right on with skill number 2. And here we are at skill number 2. And skill number 2 is pretty simple. It's how to fly in circles with your drone. But it's a very amazing skill if you want to surround an olive tree, something like that, and take pictures, or go to the woods and photograph animals all around. It's an awesome skill. So let's get right on with it. How to circle. Once you have the controls, just press the button on the top here, which is circle, and it will go forward to the north, and then it will face north. 1 second. While it turns, there, it's facing north now. Now, to make it turn, go with the direction one, this one right here, like that. And it will start turning. Look, it's turning. And now you can make any video you want, any sick video that you want, and you're good. So you can increase the speed of the turn. That's to the maximum width right now. So let's increase the speed by pushing this, which is speed. There it goes. We have increased the speed by 2. So that's the speed right now. Let's increase it by 1 more. Now it's at maximum speed with maximum circle radius. So we're done with skill number 2. And this is the footage of us circling that olive tree down there. And it's pretty nice. Look, we get a nice view of everything, and it's pretty stable for a drone without a gimbal. Check out my other video. Okay guys, that's all I have to show to you today for the Eachine ex5. And I'll have another video coming up soon about life hacks. And it's pretty cool. So please subscribe to get notified. And let's start right away. with the bonus tip. And the bonus tip is to read the tips that Eachine gives us on where to fly this drone, how to use it, and so on. So let's get right inside into that house down there, and I'll show you right now. I'm just going to take a quick look through the instruction manual. These are the parts. This is how it's all put together. You need 4 AAA batteries in the remote, where the power switch is, and the collaborations that I show you in another one of my videos, which is the pre-flight setup. Then that's to take off and turn the rotors. Just pull the 2 joysticks to the bottom of their respective sides. And here's something very important. Note, when the drone is flying in the following environment, the optical flow positioning function of the bottom camera is not good. Okay, resulting in unstable hovering, and the drone is difficult to fly smoothly, and even the drone drifting. So that happens on water, dim light, large gap between high and low, smooth reflective ground, and 2-tone stripes. Okay, that should be easy to avoid. And let's get right on. This is the app, all the app stuff. Here's how to use the app, how to use the control. I show you how to do that in my tutorial video, Eachine ex5 tutorial. And yeah, and we have the troubleshooting that we did in another video, and we're going to answer that soon. And then they have all the other languages, which is pretty cool. So bye. I really hope you guys loved this video, because I put a lot of time and care into it. So please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And bye.